welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my 2019 Res So Lutions, and it's a tag that the lovely Claire from Penguin and Pear started. And there was one of these last year and she's updated the questions, so I'm going to give this a go. So the first question is, what's your favourite make of 2018 and why? And it would have to be my Kelly anorak, which is right here. This thing is a beast and it's absolutely amazing and so warm, and it was a collaborative effort because Mum very kindly quilted this lining for me, and I have technically I finished it today because it still needed its press studs and I was terrified of making holes in this jacket and get all going horribly wrong, and it nearly did. But yes, it's finished and I shall now wear it with pride. That is my favourite make that sticks out the most from 2018, I think. Yeah, it is. Question number 2 is, what did you attempt in 2018 that you won't be doing this year? I don't know if attempt is the right word, but I definitely bit off more than I can chew. My plans videos were like, I'm going to make all the things. And given that this is the only thing that I do for a living, I still managed to run out of time. So one of my resolutions for this year is to be better prepared and use time management better, but it's also to maybe not quite be as ambitious as I was last year with regards to the volume of things that I want to make. So yeah, I think that's my answer to that one. Number 3 is, what will you continue to make? Dresses, all the dresses. If you've been watching my vlogs, you know I have already made 13 dresses so far this year, and it's the 18th today. I mean, they are all scuba dresses and I kind of just cut them all out, sew them up in a week, and then spent yesterday finishing them off. If you've seen my hashtag 2019 make 9 video, then you will know that I am attempting to branch out and make other things apart from dresses, but I definitely will continue to make dresses because they are one of the most worn things I have in my wardrobe. Number 4 is, what will you try this year that you haven't tried before? And that's a really easy one. I am going to be making lingerie. Now, I said that last year and I think I might have even said that the year before, but I'm definitely going to do it this year. The lovely Liz from Liz Sews has done some amazing sew-alongs, and especially for a couple of the bra patterns that I already own, and my underwear drawer currently is abysmal. I used to have the most beautiful collection and I had a rule that it would, you know, I'd only ever wear matching sets, and I have put on a lot of weight since then and none of them really fit me anymore, so I got rid of everything, and what I have left is in a very sorry state. I mean, I have some beautiful silk underwear, but it's been washed so many times that it has holes in it. So I need new panties and I need new bras, so I shall be attempting to make lingerie this year. Wish me luck. And question number 5 is, where do you see your wardrobe at the end of this year and then in 5 years time? That's a really interesting and difficult question to answer. I would like my wardrobe by the end of this year to be much better rounded. Is that a correct use of the English language? I'd like my wardrobe to be well rounded. I would like tops that go with the skirts that I've made and trousers that I've made and matching jumpers, and not just a plethora, good word there, not just a plethora of dresses, because I already have that and I have so many fabrics to make so many different things with. I would like it to be well-rounded. I have 2 beautiful coats now, but both of which are fairly, one is a anorak and the other one is the Monoro coat. Both of those are fairly kind of casual throw over jeans kind of coats, and I don't really have a smart coat to go over some of my dresses when I'm going smarter places. I have a very dressy coat that I made last year, the red one, but again that's more of a dress coat, so I'd like something in between. So I want to fill in the holes in my wardrobe, and there are quite a few holes. Like, for example, I need lots more tops, definitely need some smart but not too smart coats, trousers. I need many more pairs of comfortable trousers, and jeans. I would like there to be handmade jeans in my wardrobe by the end of this year. A well-rounded wardrobe. And at the end of 5 years, I think what I would like to see is more space, because fingers crossed by then I will have my own place, which I will be able to have my own walk-in wardrobe, which is the dream. And by the end of the 5 years as well, I will hopefully have weeded out and replaced all of the ready-to-wear items. There's still a few ready-to-wear items in there, for example jeggings, a few tops, things like that, that I haven't up until now been confident enough to make myself, but I can definitely do that and have them fit me better than the ones that are currently lurking in the wardrobe. So that's where I'd like it to be at the end of 5 years. So Claire tagged a whole bunch of people with this video specifically, but I would like to tag all of you to take part in this Resolutions tag, because it's quite fun to sort of sit there and think about the things that you want to achieve this year. I like the questions that Claire has set out, and I'm always interested to see what you guys are planning as well. So if you would like to give it a go, I have listed all the questions in the description bar down below, so have a look, check those out. I've also linked Claire's channel in the description bar as well if you'd like to check her out. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please subscribe, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.